Do it slowly, really slowly.
So guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can tell by the title of the video, it's another modification video. We're going to be installing dynamic indicators on the wing mirrors, the ones where they go sweep like that. Yeah, but before we get into the video guys, make sure to like the subscribe.
Have you ever had a dream that you once?
Get into the video guys, make sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, share, comment, and yeah, before we start the video I need to go wash the car. The car is absolutely filthy, so I'm gonna get it cleaned at the petrol station. And yeah, I'm not driving through the thing by the way, so don't worry about that. And yeah, I need to put some fuel in. If you're from the UK, you know about the driver shortages, fuel shortages, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's just go. Yeah, so we're just at BP petrol station, fueled up. We're gonna wash the car quickly. I normally don't wash it here, I wash it at home by myself, but I don't want my house in the video, so I'm gonna wash it here. But don't worry, we're not gonna use that shitty brush. But yeah, I'll catch you later in a bit. We're in the Tesco car park because it's kind of raining a little bit, but it's on and off. Yeah, we're going to be installing the dynamic indicators on right now. Yeah, I haven't even opened it yet, so let me check the box, because imagine I open it and there's nothing in there. So let's unbox that now. So this is the box guys. Obviously you got the dynamic indicator in. I haven't opened it yet, so we never know, it could be nothing in here, but yeah, let's have a look. Ooh, unboxing video. Jeez, look at that, come on guys. It's not even just a normal dynamic indicator, there's a special touch to it. It's going to look sick, but you're not going to be gassed as well. But yeah, let's get these on. I've never done anything like this before. We're on to DIY stuff now, so let's give it a go. Hopefully it ends up well. Yeah, so we got this tool to take off the mirror and take off the mirror cap. And then we got the dynamic indicators. Let's open one up. Ooh, this is gonna be so satisfying. Or what? Yeah. Guys, it's not going very well. Okay, there we go. Oh, sexy. They're the indicators, guys. They clip right on. And then also we got the special thing. I'm not gonna show you what that is yet. But I can't even show you what that is yet. But you'll see. But yeah, let's pull out the weapon. Where's the weapon? So guys, we got the weapon, so we're gonna open the mirror cap right now. Let's go. So we just have to take this mirror off first. It just kind of clips off. Yeah, so guys, now we're taking off the cover. I'll fucking take this off. So we have these two wires here that we just pull straight off. Yep, and that's the mirror. We put this safely in here. I am being defeated by the car. This mirror cap is quite hard to take off, but fuck it off. Let's try and loosen it up a bit. So guys, we got the mirror cap off finally after a bit of struggle. Obviously, you know I'm a gym lad, but got defeated. Actually, no, I won. But yeah, now what we're gonna do is throw that away. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, guys, is unscrew the old unit and put in the new one. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so what we're going to do is take off that screw there, this screw here, and yeah, that will come right off. So that's why we got a drill. I had a screwdriver in my car, yeah, but I couldn't find it, so drill it is. That's one out. Come on, rapid. Other one as well. Yeah, so we took the screws off. Now we just need to push this unit out. So should just push out like this. Yeah, that's one side out. Yep, so this just goes into there, guys. Probably a little bit fiddly, not gonna lie. Yep, you're right, it's a little bit fiddly. Yeah, so guys, this is finally in. Yeah, so wait, this needs to clip back in as well. Really slowly, guys.
So it's cool. You take it to me.
Oh, fuck.
There we go.
Fuck. Next one. Oh, guys, I'm telling ya, I'm a rapper. Not like a rapper, not a singer. Like car rapper, photographer, driller, everything. Man of many talents. To be fair, this is my first time actually like trying DIY and shit. So let's go next one. Oh jeez, let's go. Yeah, so guys, it's windy as fuck, yeah, but this is the hard bit. We need to like put this copper wire around this bit. This is the ultimate test, you know, because if this doesn't work, then we fucked it. Yeah, so guys, we've got the first side on, but unfortunately the thing I really wanted is like when you unlock the car, it sweeps blue for a bit, but you have to wire something in. I wired it in, but it wasn't working, so we just left it. But now we're doing the other side. Got this bit off, gonna put the new one on, and yeah, I'll show you the results. Oh fuck. Don't try that at home, because it or don't try that anywhere, because that's silly. Yeah, so guys, welcome to the new show, Foozle's Stupidity. We're gonna try something. I wanted to see if I can clip this onto the exhaust and see what it sounds like. So let's. So guys, both indicators are on. I couldn't do the thing that I wanted to really show you where the blue comes on because I couldn't hardwire it in properly, but sweeping indicators finally done. It's not the, obviously because it's still daytime, it's not going to be the brightest, but you can still visibly see that. But I'm going to get another clip for you that in the night. So sick. I only paid what, like £17 for these. You can get it for cheaper if you didn't get the blue unit. But yeah, let me just spin the camera around and I'll show you that. How sexy does this look? Ooh, that is sexy, boys. Sexy.
Can't be fucking that hoe. Keep my blicky in the cut, it gotta go where I go. Money over everything, that's still the motto. Ballin' hard today like we won't make it to tomorrow. Baby, I'm a millionaire. Keep the baby, I don't care. 50 G's, pick a ear, make a disappear. I got on that shit for real. Niggas on my list for real. Every time I pull up, I look like I'm selling bricks for real. Still be in the bricks for real.
Yeah, so guys, it's night time. Thought I'd come out and show you guys the dynamic indicators. You can see, probably see them in the back, but yeah, they look so sick. Let me turn the camera around. Yeah, so as you can see guys, they go in sync with the indicators on the headlights. It looks so sick. I did wish they were a little brighter, but in the night time you can see them. In the daytime they're not as visible. Even at night I still think they're not the brightest, but you know what, it does the thing. If anyone wants to buy this, it's from AliExpress for about £10-15. Yeah, check it out. And yeah, peace.